Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce from scratch. First, choose your favorite fresh chili peppers, like habaneros or jalapenos, ensuring they are ripe and firm. Next, gather essential ingredients such as white vinegar, a pinch of salt, and any aromatics like garlic or onion. Remember to wear gloves when handling peppers to protect your skin from capsaicin. Once your ingredients are ready, roughly chop the peppers, garlic, and onion. Combine them in a saucepan with your vinegar and a little water, then simmer gently for about 15 minutes until everything is tender. After cooling slightly, transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's completely smooth. This creates the base texture of your sauce. After blending, pour the sauce through a fine mesh sieve or a cheesecloth-lined colander into a clean bowl. Use a spoon or spatula to press down on the solids, extracting all the flavorful liquid. Discard the pulp. Now is the time to taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might add a bit more salt, a touch of sugar, or extra vinegar for balance. Finally, prepare your storage containers. Sterilize glass bottles or jars by washing them thoroughly and then boiling them for 10 minutes or running them through a hot dishwasher cycle. Once cooled, carefully pour your homemade hot sauce into the clean bottles. Seal them tightly. Your delicious hot sauce is now ready to enjoy and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.